Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel for Construction. So Navis tutorial series we have started and we have discussed lots of topics regarding the search set, regarding the selection inspector, regarding the selection tree, properties, how you can check the properties of any element in the Navisworks. And in this today episode we will be continuing this series with the discussion on how you can use the find items and how it can be utilized for your project coordination. So in last video we have discussed about the selection set versus the search set. So if you haven't watched that video, I will request you to go and check out that video first. Okay, so this video will be discussing about the find items. You can see here we are having an option to search in the Navisworks itself. We can choose the file. First of all, we have to choose the file, in which file we want to search. If you need multiple file, you can select the multiple files also. After that, you have to add the condition. So this is how you can search for an existing properties. So let's start. We will be discussing with the HVAC file itself. First of all, I am cutting the sectioning here. To cut the section, viewpoint, enable sectioning. Then I am choosing the plain one as a top cutout here. Okay, so here you can see we are having some HVAC model, the ground floor ceiling spaces. And let's say if you are working on the HVAC file, let me turn on the properties tab also first. So here we are having the properties tab. Okay, this one you can turn on from the properties itself. So here let's say if you are working on an HVAC model and you need to know a tag of an HVAC unit. Let's say in the HVAC unit, this one we have selected the split indoor ducted unit. Here you will find lots of properties regarding this one. So in element we are having the name of this unit, that is CSU05, and your client told you to show me the unit having the tag CSU05. Okay, mark value CSU05. So you will not be going to pick each unit and then you will be checking which unit having CSU02, which is having CSU05. So you not going to manually check for each one. In that case, what you can do, you can use the find item tool here. Okay, simply you have to click on the find item, then you have to choose the file. Let's say HVAC file we are clicking here, then you have to add condition. So we will be searching for the same properties. Here you can see we will be looking for mark value inside the element. Okay, so you have to first choose the element from here. If you are looking any properties inside the item, then you have to choose the item. So as per that you have to select here. So I am looking for the element properties right now, so I am selecting element from here. Okay, element selected. Then after element, which properties I am looking inside the element, I am looking for the mark. So I will be clicking here mark value. Okay, so we have to go to mark. Now you have to choose the condition that the mark value equals to, not equals to, contains, defined, not defined, as per your requirement. So I am choosing it as a equal right now, and I will be mentioning CSU03. Okay, so CSU03, as you can see here, it is available. I am selecting this one. Now after that we have to run this one. So you can run find first, so it will be selecting the unit itself here. So let me show you in the background. Okay, now setup. You can see here in the background, when we click on the find first, it has selected that unit in the Navis interface already. And if you click on find all, whatever unit having this same tag CCU03, so all those 3 units has been selected. You can see here also 3 items selected. Okay, now if you want to create the set, then you can create the set also. If you don't want to create the set, this is called as a search set. The set you will be creating with the help of any find items. Those sets are known as the search set, because you have given some property to Navis to look for that one, and the element it has selected. And now if you will be saving those elements, it will be saved as a search set, not as a selection set. So you can see those. If you did the hide unselected rest of the building, okay, you can see let me show you this one clearly. So you can see here those indoor unit, that is CSU03 having the mark value CSU03 is highlighted right now. And if I did the hide unselected from here, rest of the building model will be hidden and all those 3 will be visible here. Okay, so you can also check like this, where are those units, and another option is you can also change the color for your purpose. If you want to change the color of this unit for your easy relocation, so you can change the color. Simply you have to go here, override item, override color, and orange or whatever you want, you can give that unit a different color. So you will be remembering that we are having SU03 mark in those 3 FC units, so it is easy for you to remember. After that, again, if you want to reset the colors, you can simply go here and you can click on the reset profile. You are having option to reset appearance. Okay, so all those appearance will be removed again. So this is how you can search as per your requirement. If you want to search a different properties, then again you have to select the properties from here. Then let's say if you are looking for item, whatever properties you are looking, you have to simply mention that properties here also. Okay, now there is more features here. Let's say same will be going to, let me choose the duct. Let's say this duct we are having duct sizes 250 into 200 and supply air. Okay, so we'll be looking for the duct sizes first 250 into 200. Also one more feature is there in the we are having in Navisworks 2026, that you don't need to add conditions each time manually from here. If you want some item to be added in the find items, you can simply go here. Let's say this duct sizes, I am going here. You will be right clicking and you are having option to create search. Okay, so you can simply create search here. So automatically those fields are selected from here. First one category element, second one duct size, and what duct size we are looking for equals to 250 into 200. Now if you will be running this search find items again, you will be seeing all the highlighted ducts having 250 into 200 sizes are selected. Okay, so this is how. And again, if you want to save this as a set, you have to simply click on this save. So it will be saving this as a set. You can see here search set is created. So you can simply mention this search set as a like duct size 250 into 200. So in our previous video we have discussed in detail about the sets, how you can create, and so you can go and check out that sets also. So let me hide everything here, or let me change hide unselected. So you can see here those ducts having 250 into 200 sizes. Okay, so you can see we are having one supply duct, we are having some few supply duct, and also we are having one exhaust duct here. So let's say if you want to add further more condition in the same find item, so how you can add that. So let's say if you want only the supply air, not the exhaust air, or whatever the treated fresh air will be there or return air will be there, but we need only the duct sizes for the supply air. We need to show only the supply air duct sizes having this size. Okay, so for that one you have to simply add more condition. Okay, now here you can see you are having conditions again. So next time we will be adding the next parameter here, that is supply air. So I will be adding element again, element. Okay, this one manual process, element again. Then we have to select the system classification. So you have to select the system classification from here. And if you don't want to go manually again, then you are having one more feature again in that Navisworks 2026 itself, that you will be going to again here, simply right clicking and add to existing search. Do not create new search, otherwise first one will be deleted. So add to existing search. So both search are added right now, and if you will be running this time find items, so it will be picking only the supply air duct having 250 to 200 size. And if you want to change the condition from and to different, you can also change those condition simply. Okay, you have to click here, you can choose or condition if you want to choose the or condition. Okay, and if you want to use the and, then and you can choose. So this is how you can create the search set. And let's say this time we have selected, so it should be showing only the supply duct, not the exhaust that we will be having earlier. So you can see here only the supply ducts are visible, right? So this is all about the find items, that it can be useful for you to filter out the things based on the properties. Now also some checkbox are there. If you see in search setting, so you are having for checkbox. So if you want to match the character width exactly, then you can match you can check this box on. So basically 4 properties are there, so I will be giving you a quick review about this one. Match character width. So whenever, like you can see in the example, if the character widths are different but both text are same, or the properties values are same but the character width are different, then in this case, if you want to ignore this one, then you can check the match character width. Then we are having match diacritics. So in this case, you can see here we are having different diacritics, but if you want to ignore this one while searching, that also, then in that case you can also tick this. Then we are having a match case, then we are having a prune below region. So these 4 we are having. If you want to use this case, then you have to simply in the Navisworks Manage, you have to check those also. Okay, so this is all about the find items, and also it is useful in daily use for your project. Let's say we are having one project here, you can see, and we are having for each toilet and for the rooms a room tags are there. So you can simply search for those room tags. For that you have to simply click on the text, then you will be going to properties. Okay, in properties you have to find the values. It is field E04066. so you have to simply mention in the find items in the first as a, in the element here first as a element. Okay, then in the second property you have to mention for the number, then in condition equals to, then this value you can mention. So if you are working on a large project and you need to find any one single room, then with the help of find items you can check that room. Okay, so this is all about the find items, and you can utilize it as per your requirement. Then after finding items, you can, as I told you, you can save those searches as a set also, so it will be counted as a search set. Okay, and in Navisworks 2026 you are having direct option to create the search set or add it to existing search or create a new search directly from the properties bar itself. So thanks for watching this video, guys.